Hi, good morning everyone. This is Maheshwara from BH Studies. Today we will learn one shortcut from trigonometry. See here, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to then tan power 2022 theta plus cot power 2022 theta. Value how much? See here, now I am taking if theta is equal to, you can take 45 degrees. Why? Because tan 45 value 1 cot 45 also 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Tan 45 how much? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is satisfied. So you can take in theta place, you can take 45 degrees. Here also tan theta whole power 2022 plus cot power 2022 theta can be written as cot theta whole power 2022. So tan theta value how much? Tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees value 1 power 2022 plus here also 1 power 2022 cot 45 also 1. So 1 power any number is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the result is 2 only. Here see, if cos theta plus secant theta is equal to, then cos power 1979 theta plus secant power 1979 theta is equal to how much? See here also if cos 0 is equal to 1, so I am taking here theta is equal to 0 degrees. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Cos 0 value how much? Cos 0 plus secant 0 degrees. Secant 0 degrees. Cos 0 value how much? Cos 0 value is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is the RHS satisfied. So you can take here also cos theta whole power 1979 plus secant theta whole power 1979 we can write. So this one also 1 power 1979 plus 1 power here also 1 power 1979. 1 power any number is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is also result is equal to 2. That's it.